Hi guys! I will make ungtok today. Ungtok is sweet and savory rice cake. You can eat like dessert. Not dessert. You can eat like snack. If you feel hungry, you can eat it. It's sweet and savory, so if you eat it, you feel like happy. And it's refined sugar-free, so your gut will be happy too. So, are you ready? So, let's get started. Go! Go, go! Go!
Sweet and savory rice cake, what is called ungtok, is firstly made by one of Korean actors Jung Woo-in in Korean TV show. He made ungtok for his daughter and he said she loved it. So after that TV show, many Koreans made this sweet and savory rice cake at home. I changed the rice cake into rice pasta since I couldn't digest the rice cake properly because of the sticky texture of the rice cake. The good thing about using rice rigatoni pasta is that there is a hole inside the pasta, so the sauce will go into the pasta holes, so it will have more flavor and taste. Plus, you can digest better than normal plain rice cake because the texture is less sticky. The ingredients are really simple. From the left, it's rice rigatoni pasta, second one is honey, third one is sesame oil, and the last one is soy sauce. You need 150 gram of rice pasta. You can use plain rice cake instead of rice pasta, but as I recommended, if you use rice pasta, you can digest better. And 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This soy sauce is made with simple and natural ingredients, so I am going to use this, but you can use any kind of soy sauce at home. First, boil the water and put rice pasta into the pot. For about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, when rice pasta is well cooked, drain the hot water and wash the rice pasta with cold water. If you remove the water from the rice pasta, fry the rice pasta with low heat. Frying time will be upon your preference. If you want the crispy texture, pour the cooking oil into the frying pan and fry them more than 15 minutes. If you want the soft texture like me, fry until you see the hint of gold color of the rice pasta. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. While frying the rice pasta, I will make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey, one tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I added half tablespoon of soy sauce because mine was less salty one. You can reduce or add soy sauce upon your preference. If you want more savory taste, you can put more, but normally 1 tablespoon is enough. While making the sauce, rice pasta is well fried. If you look at the rice pasta, it has a hint of gold color, but it sticks together because I didn't put any cooking oil. But don't worry, if you pour the sauce, it will be okay. Now it's almost done. The sauce is well mixed with in and out of rice pasta. Ta-da! Finished! Sprinkle sesame seeds on the top, or if you have any kind of nuts, you can sprinkle. Enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave comments below. If you like my video, please click like, and for more yummy gut healing recipes, there will be more videos coming up. So please click subscribe for more coming up videos. See ya!
Hi Terry! Say hello to everyone! Hi! Terry! 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 Ooh, what is this human doing? Huh? Ooh, what is this?